Hi luminaries, in this video I'm going to show you surprisingly easy way to make these beautiful tassel earrings. Okay, so what you'll need are jump rings. 12 millimeter is always a good size. Earring hoops, tassel comb, chain nose plier, and then a finished basic tassel. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to take your finished tassel, grab a jump ring. This is magnetized. Open it. Okay, and all you're going to do is you're going to slide this under the head knot tie, like so. Okay, and then you're going to take any of your earring hoop, put it in, and close. Okay, and then sometimes, just make it neat, I like to comb my tassel, and you're done. So this is done in the same way as this jump ring earring hoop. Something like this has a jump ring, it's connected to this piece, another jump ring connected to this piece, a jump ring, and then an earring hoop. These ones are actually quite easy. You actually don't need earring hoops for the jump rings for these. Literally, they're just basic tassels, and then you just put this in, and that's it. So cute, and they make great gifts. Enjoy, everyone. Okay, this is a bonus for those who we're going to make these basic tassels. What you need are your loom tool, a tassel comb, yarn, and scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn, take your loom tool, and then just wind. I'm not going to go too, not too tight, not too loose. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to finish on the same notch, cut. Now I'm going to make a head tie, so I'm going to do twice the length plus some slack. I'm going to take this, insert it in between, slide it up right here, the opposite side from where you started end. Okay, make sure your ends are even, make a single tie, not a knot, slide this out, and then make that tight knot. Okay, now you're going to smooth all of this down. You can cut about a foot. Okay, now I'm going to lay this down. Again, smooth this down. Sometimes I like to comb it. And lay this so that this is where the neck is. Make sure that this is only 5 inches and this is very long. Okay, you're going to make a knot, one tie, adjust, okay, and then you're going to tighten and make a knot. Okay, if there are some bubbles and things like that here, I just pull a little bit. Take the short end, hold it up, take the long end, you're going to wrap it around the neck with a lot of tension. Depending on how much definition you want. Okay. And then take a needle. I forgot that we needed one. Insert it in the middle right here. Oops, cut this excess. This is gonna hide the knot. Make sure that that's not too long. Half an inch or an inch is fine. Gently pull through, and then with your finger pull that in. Finish for the other side. Oops. I might have lost that, so let me redo it. I lost the tail. Pull. Now pull. See how that is completely hidden? Now cut your tassel. Then I take a tassel comb, and sometimes the tassel comb actually help me catch loops that aren't completely tied in. And then I just cut. And now you have your basic tassel ready to go for your earrings.